Students are going to design a coffee cup. So right here are the directions. Students are going to design a coffee cup that represents maybe some type of content for a unit. Once they do that, they are then going to explain what their coffee cup kind of means, the symbols that they use, and how it relates back to that content. Right here, these coffee cups were from Icon Mania. I love how Paula makes her icons because she makes it so easy to take things apart and recolor just certain parts. So I kind of took it apart for students. So then all they have to do is kind of design their coffee cup by dragging and dropping. And then they can come in here and they can just change that one piece of color to kind of go with whatever the content is. So again, shout out to Paulo for creating that on Icon Mania. Students again can use that paint bucket and then they can pick whatever color they think is going to represent maybe that content or the unit or maybe emotion that character or that person in history might be going through. Here is the logo. So once students have their coffee cup designed, they can pick whatever logo they want. If they can't find something on here, they can then go to Canva. So they'll just command copy one of these if that's what they choose. And again, they can come in and they can change the color. They can change whatever they might want to change for their coffee cup design. Once they have that, they can then add different icons. So they can come over here and maybe they want to use like the light bulb to represent something. On their coffee cup, they're able to come in and then they could add kind of like a different design or something like that, maybe some type of pattern. And then they will be responsible to explain what those kind of symbols might mean later down the road. So again, we've got two light bulbs in that one. I might kind of continue that pattern. And then again, students can then kind of explain why they put that on their coffee cup, those different icons. If they can't find any, maybe they can go to Noun Project, Icon Mania, Flat Icons. They could even search Google if they wanted to, and they could just search icons on Google. Once they have their icons, they're now ready for step 4 and they're ready to explain. They're going to explain why they picked the color, why they picked their logo, what the icons represent. And you can add more boxes depending on what you use for your content. Who might drink this coffee cup if you wanted to go into there? What kind of flavor might be inside that coffee cup depending on the person? So, again, you can add different boxes here depending on what the content is for your students. But just a fun way to get them to kind of think higher level about what they're learning about.